Hi, my name is Kyle and I live in southern Louisiana near the Gulf of Mexico coast. So I've been interested in plants for probably 15 years now, but it was really about 6 years ago when it really became a hobby and something that I enjoyed not just doing but researching as well. And in that time, I've planted many plants in all the houses I've lived in, different rent houses. But I've also planted many things at friends' places that have more acreage to work with, or my parents' place, which is just another suburban lot. I'm still learning every day, and my interest keeps growing throughout the years. And I find myself now, more than ever, as excited and interested in planting and just enjoying nature in general. So, my goals are to increase the biodiversity around my place, mostly through native plantings, and I'll get into natives versus exotics in more detail in videos to come. But generally, my idea is to increase the plant diversity at my house through natives, and which will in turn increase the bird diversity in my yard. And I see a plethora of birds every single day at my house. Lots of spring migrants coming through right now, but a lot of birds that overwinter. I'd also like my channel to talk about different birds throughout their families to specific birds. Oh, there's a squirrel. Um, yeah, so just to increase the diversity of plants, to increase the diversity of birds. Just diversity is the spice of life. It's just important. You just want to see many different things thriving and all these different plants interacting with, or animals are interact with the plants, and it's great stuff. So, yeah, I want to show individual tree species, different shrub species. There's 6 layers that you'll find in about every forest ecosystem throughout the world, and that's your tall canopy trees that can get 200 feet tall or even higher in some instances. And then you have your smaller trees, which might only reach 50 to 60 feet in height. So then you have your shrubs, which might be like blueberries, 8 feet tall, buckeyes, many different shrubs. And then you have your perennials and annuals. You have your ground cover, such as grasses or strawberry plants, and then you have your vining layer. So you want to have all of those present to provide well, not everything, but to provide the plants and the home and the structure for your yard. You want to have all of those 6 layers present and as many native species um, as possible. And okay, so that's kind of my goals and my hopes here. I have many different books on subjects, and I'll talk about that in the next video. That's it. I just wanted to give you an introduction as to who I am, and I want this channel to not only be a way for me to express my passion with this subject, but also can possibly educate others who are interested in this field. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.